Jessica. Welcome back to my channel, The Retro Farmhouse. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own laundry detergent. There are lots of Pinterest ideas, lots of probably other videos out there. I'm just showing you how I do mine. And you can do it with just a couple items, and this tends to be less costly than some of the store-bought laundry detergents. It's also, I like it because doesn't have as much chemicals and toxic items, things like that in it. So some of the things I'm going to go ahead and show you today are the items that you will need to gather if you want to do the recipe like I do it. So I just bought a box of borax. You can get this in most places from your grocery stores. You can even buy this off of Amazon. And the other item I'm using is just a laundry booster. This is Arm & Hammer. I'm sure there's other brands out there that you can get. Again, you might be able to find this at your local store. I wasn't able to find this. I had to order this one off of Amazon as well. And some of the other items you're going to want is just a laundry wash bar. They have so many different kinds. There's some that have been out there on the market for years. I like this one. It's called the Laundress. It has a really good scent to it, and it's made with essential oils, so it has a nice little fragrance. Not too overpowering once you get it mixed in, but this is just one that I like. It's allergen-free, biodegradable packaging. It says it's non-toxic, all those sort of things. And if you don't like fragrances in your laundry, I'm sure they make ones that don't have any kind of fragrance or essential oils or anything in there. I'm going to be using a grater. I have this one just specifically to make my laundry detergent. I usually just keep this one up in my laundry area, and I use this when I need to make a new batch. I'm also using a measuring cup, a 1 cup measuring cup, and I like to just keep this one separate as well, just so I know that this one's being used for laundry. To store your laundry detergent once you're done mixing it, I like to store mine in glass containers. They have a lot of different glass containers out there. I like to use these half-gallon jars, these mason jars. I usually put on the top like when I've started it and how long that it lasts me. I made one batch of this recently and it lasted me over 2 months. So I found that a good value, and when I'm measuring this out, I use a little tablespoon. I kind of keep that in there and use that when I'm doing my laundry. So really, it's really simple to make this. I just take whatever my item is. So this is 6 cups, I believe. So I take half of this, which would be 3 cups, and half of this, which would be 3 cups. And then I take my whole bar of my laundry soap and I just grade that into there. You could probably do this in a bowl first, which is what I'm gonna do, and I just kind of mix this in and mix this together really well, and then I just put that in here, and it's so simple to make. I can make a batch in a couple minutes, and again, it lasts me for a couple months. It's definitely a better money saver than going out and buying some of the other laundry detergents. So again, I'm just going to measure out 3 cups of this. I know by using these before that these will usually make me 2 batches. Or if you just have a big enough glass container, you can really just put this box in one whole box of this, 1 whole box of the borax. And then I would probably recommend, if you're using one of these small bars like this, to use 2. But if they do make other bigger ones, not necessarily in this brand, but in other brands, and that would probably be okay for, you know, this one big batch if you were doing something like that. Now this process can be a little time consuming to do the cheese grater. I know that some people have put this in their food processor and have used it that way if they have like a setting that grates or different things like that. But I just find it easy to do this. You just get a cheap one of these off of Amazon. You can probably even find one of these in a thrift store. Okay, put my lid back on. Tighten that up, and then I'm just gonna give it a good shake. That's why I don't like to fill these all the way up, so I give it a little bit of room at the top so I can just kind of shake my ingredients around and get it dispersed really well. And there you have it. I have some of my own homemade laundry detergent. I use a tablespoon to keep in here when I'm putting my laundry detergent in my washing machine. I usually just do 2 tablespoons for a regular load. If it's a small load, I might do 1. If I have something that's really, really dirty, I might do 3, but I usually don't do any more than that, and it lasts me for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as consider subscribing and hit the notification button so that you know when I'm making a new video. And stay tuned, we'll have some more DIYs and farm vlogs coming up soon. We'll see you guys again next time.